The construction of Inghetlangso LP School is incomplete and abandoned, which consequently affects the fate of the children of Ramterang village and its adjoining villages from receiving basic educational rights. The school is just few kilometers away from Koilamati, falling under Nilip constituency. The construction of the school building was sanctioned 4 years ago for its completion under MSDB scheme, but it was abandoned and left the school building incomplete. For the time being, the children of the local area received its classes from the community hall building by the department Elephant Corridor. At times when the Department of Elephant Corridor hosts their events or meetings at the community hall, the children are asked to return back home. This type of incident occurs frequently, affecting their academic hours. The residents of Ramterang village and its adjoining villages appeals the higher authority to look and intervene into this matter and urge the authority to complete the school building at the earliest time possible, as it is the only nearest educational institute and their children's fate is dependent upon it. Samson Ingti reports from Koilamati for Karbianglong Live.